Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 7 November 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive exam because current affairs plays an important role in all competitive examination for your selection. Okay, so try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous three questions. We have to answer it first. Our first question was, who is honored with Ekalavya Award by Karnataka government? Virat Kohli, KL Rahul, Rohit Sharma, or option D, none of these. The correct answer is the famous Indian cricketer KL Rahul. Recently, KL Rahul honored with Ekalavya Award from Karnataka state government. Okay, Karnataka is the news. The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. Chief Minister is D.S. Yedurappa and Vajubhai Vala is the governor of Karnataka. Okay, our second question was, in which city plastic law mask lays out campaign started? Dehradun, Mumbai, Lucknow, or option D, Delhi? The correct answer here is option A, Dehradun. In Dehradun, the campaign plastic law and mask lays out, a great initiative was started. Okay, remember this question is very much important. Okay, this campaign is started in Dehradun. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when International Day for Preventing the Exploitation of the Environment in War and Armed Conflict is observed? 6 November, 5 November, 12 September, or option D, 15 October? The correct answer here is 6 November. In every year, on 6 November, International Day for Preventing the Exploitation of the Environment in War and Armed Conflict is observed. This day is observed to raise the awareness in the effect of the environment in war and armed conflict. Okay, and this day is observed since 2001. It was declared by United Nations General Assembly on 5 November 2001. Okay, since 2001 this day is observed. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has chaired the 40th SAARC Central Bank Governors Meet? Narendra Modi, Rajneesh Kumar, Shaktikant Das, or option D, Nirmala Sitharaman? The correct answer here is option C, Shaktikant Das. The 40th meeting of the SAARC Finance Governors Group was held virtually under the chairmanship of Sri Shaktikant Das, the governor of RBI. The 25th number of governor of RBI is Shaktikant Das. You can see here the famous personality, the RBI governor Shaktikant Das here. Okay. Next question. John Pombe Magufuli won the presidential election of which country? Zimbabwe, Ivory Coast, Tanzania, option D, Brazil. The correct answer here is option C, Tanzania. The correct answer here is Tanzania. Recently, the John Pombe Magufuli has been sworn for a second 5-year term as president of Tanzania. Okay, and the capital of Tanzania is Dodoma. Dodoma is the capital, and currency is Tanzanian shilling. Tanzanian shilling is the currency of Tanzania. Okay, you can see here the image of John Pombe Magufuli, one second term as the president. Next question. Who is appointed as brand ambassador of Siska Group? Rajkumar Rao, Barun Dhawan, Siddharth Kapoor, or option D, Ranveer Singh? The correct answer here is the famous Bollywood actor Rajkumar Rao. The correct answer here is Rajkumar Rao. Okay, the Bollywood actor Rajkumar Rao recently appointed as the brand ambassador of the fast moving electrical goods FMEG, fast moving electrical group leading company Siska Group. Okay, Siska Group. The Rajkumar Rao is recently the brand ambassador of Siska Group. You can see here the image of Rajkumar Rao. Next question. Which bank has launched Mine, a comprehensive banking program? HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, SBI, or option D, IDBI Bank? The answer here is option B, ICICI Bank. Recently, ICICI Bank has launched a comprehensive banking program for its millennial customers up to age 18 to 35. It is the age limit is 18 to 35, and it is called the ICICI Bank Mine. It is name of this program is ICICI Bank Mine. Okay, and the headquarter of the ICICI Bank is situated in Mumbai, and Sandeep Bakshi is the CEO and MD of ICICI Bank. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who has finally allowed WhatsApp for payment service? NPCI, NTPC, MHA, or option D RBI? Can you guess the answer here? The correct answer here is NPCI. So option A is correct here. The National Payment Corporation of India. Remember the abbreviation of NPCI is National Payment Corporation of India has finally allowed the Facebook-owned messaging platform WhatsApp for payment. Okay, NPIC, the headquarter of the NPIC is situated in Mumbai also. Okay, and the CEO of NPIC is Dilip Asbe. Dilip Asbe is the CEO of NPIC, and it is founded in 2008. NPCI founded in 2008. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who has become the brand ambassador of Namami Gange project? Rohit Sharma, Chacha Chaudhary, Amitabh Chaudhary, or option D, none of these? The answer here is option B, Chacha Chaudhary. The iconic Indian superhero, Chacha Chaudhary is Indian superhero. Okay, remember the iconic Indian superhero Chacha Chaudhary, whose brain works, it is assumption, whose brain works faster than a computer, has now come forward to join the hands with Namami Gange program, Namami Gange project. Okay, remember the brand ambassador is Chacha Chaudhary. Okay, next question. Who has been selected for the J.C. Daniel Award for lifetime contribution in Malayalam cinema? Deepak Kumar, Mahesh Kanodia, Hariharan, option D, none of these. The answer here is the noted filmmaker Hariharan. Recently, the noted filmmaker Hariharan has been selected for the J.C. Daniel Award, the state government highest honor for lifetime contribution to Malayalam cinema. Okay, it is the state government's highest honor for the lifetime contribution in Malayalam cinema. Okay, you can see here the image of Hariharan, who got J.C. Daniel Award for lifetime contribution. Okay, next question. Who has been elected to the global dairy body IDF? Dilip Rath, Mukesh Sharma, Rahul Kumar, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is option A, Dilip Rath. Recently, the National Dairy Development Board NDDB chairman Dilip Rath has been unanimously elected to the board of global dairy body International Dairy Federation. IDF stands for International Dairy Federation, and the headquarters of the IDF is situated in Brussels, Belgium. Headquarters is situated, and it is established in 1903. Okay, and president is Pierre Cristiano Brazil. Pierre Cristiano Brazil is the president of IDF. Okay, we can see here the image of Dilip Rath. Next question. Question number 10, last question of the today's session is: Center has formed committee to assess TRP system. Who chaired the committee? Shashi S. Vempati, Alok Singh, Rajat Sharma, or option D, none of these? The answer here is, the correct answer here is Shashi S. Vempati. Recently, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has constituted a four-member committee to assess the existing TRP of TV channels. Everywhere you listen the TRP top. Do you know the abbreviation of TRP? What TRP stands for? TRP actually stands for television rating point. Remember, television rating point of TV channel. And the committee will be chaired by the Prasar Bharati CEO Shashi S. Vempati. Shashi S. Vempati is the CEO of Prasar Bharati. Okay, TRP. Remember, television rating point is the full form of TRP. I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day. You have to answer it in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming section. Alsane Ouattara won the presidential election of which country? Our second question is: who became the new MD and CEO of ONGC Videsh Limited? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help and those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Thank you. Have a great day.